Hey guys, it's Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures, and today I want to talk to you guys about the Seadoos and the GoPro options that I have available, or GoPro option. Check these out. These are pretty cool. All right, so this is basically how I've always done my GoPros until I came up with a better solution. So this one right here, I have just a sticky mount, as you can see there. These work good for a while, but if you are like where I am always in the saltwater. These things do not last. I have lost several GoPros in the Gulf. So let me show you a better solution. All right, so no, it's not an airplane. This is a GoPro mount that is going to basically mount right there. It's going to keep your GoPro in the perfect location. Not only that, when you got your GoPro down here like I do on the other ski, I can't reach up and grab that GoPro like I can from this position. So don't mind the yellow. This was just what I had to do the test print in. They're available in several different colors, but let me show you how to install this. It's going to go right here. All right, so the first thing you want to do is just two screws right here and right here. Now this is, of course, it's the GTX 170. It also works on the 230. It'll work on several different skis. As far as exact, I don't know, because these are the ones that I have, and that's what this is designed for. But you're going to use a T30 Torx bit, and you're going to loosen these two screws and take them out. Real simple. Now you don't ever want to tighten these. I mean, you want them tight, but you don't want to crank down on them, as they are just into plastic and fiberglass. So we're going to take these two bolts out, and this is as simple as this gets, guys. It really is this easy. Now you're going to take, it's got a little notch here, and that's going to sit over here. So you're just going to slide this in, insert your screws, and you have to push a little bit forward because it makes it really tight where it doesn't wobble, it doesn't vibrate, and then you're just going to tighten these down. And like I said, you just want them snug. That's all you need to get. You don't have to crank down on them. You don't want to strip anything. And this is installed. It is completely, it's not moving, it's solid. And if you lift up your cowl, it clears with plenty of space. Now all you have to do to hook your GoPro up, I use a Hero 9 this time, but you need this type of mount that usually comes with your GoPro. Just flip this up and then clip it in place, put your little stopper down, and your GoPro is securely attached to the front of your ski. Of course, this one is not going to be yellow. That's going to be on the ski. I will replace this one with either a gray or a blue. Not quite sure yet. And of course, that one's probably going to get an orange one. So if you're looking for a really a much better option to mount your GoPro, this is it. You know, the sticky ones like that, don't chance your GoPro. Like I said, I've lost several, and they're at the bottom of the Gulf somewhere, but this is a much better option. Really cheap insurance to keep hold of your GoPro. Guys, check the links in the description. They're available in any color that you want. That I've got several colors available, pretty much all the popular colors. By the way, this yellow here is actually not the yellow that it'll come in. It's a bright neon yellow, which is pretty cool. If you want this yellow, I guess I'll probably put both options up there, yellow and neon yellow. But anyway, the regular options, orange, blue, black, blah, blah, blah. They're gonna be there. Check links in the description. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like this video. I'll talk to you next time.